Yeah, well, this is where we met through uni.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Groups.
Yeah. Oh
Classes,
yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, definitely in the classes we'll form into groups and that.
Well, I usually just gravitate towards whoever I'm sitting near. Say hi to people in tutorials as well.
Talking to classmates is a big one. Just mentioning things in conversation, pipe up in class discussions and tutorials and stuff like that, and you'll meet people.
Societies for sure. I mean, like I've joined this fundraiser for the sports society, and just join the clubs. You know, you have a good time, and everyone have similar interests. Best way to make friends, you know.
Well, when I'm playing piano out there, a lot of people approach you, and a lot of other musicians. One of my best friends actually that I've made from uni is from that, and we're in a band together at the moment, so yeah.
I lived on college for my first year, so I met people through that.
Just talking, just walking straight up to somebody and saying hello. Class is great for that as well.
I just go up and I talk to random people. Like the other day, this one girl was just having a coffee by herself, and I just sat down and I was just like, hey, how you doing? And then, yeah, and that's it.
People will never know who you are if you don't tell them who you are.